Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying safe and enjoying your summer vacation, right? Okay. So summer vacation homework. What parents requested to give homework on weekly basis. That's why I gave you week 1 homework and then week 2 homework. But from now on, it's not possible to give homework on weekly basis. You will do the homework regularly weekly, and you will submit also weekly, but today I am posting all your homework subject wise from week 3 to week 6. See, here is the homework. See, Sanjida Afrin posted new assignment English summer vacation homework week 3 to week 6. Okay, you have to go there. Okay, so if you go there, what you will find this homework. Okay, this homework sheet you will find. Okay, so what task I gave you on week 3? Week 3, we all read the story The Lion and the Mouse, right? So here are 6 pictures. Okay, in this picture the lion is letting the mouse go. Second picture, the lion is catching the mouse. Third picture, the lion is laughing at the mouse. Fourth picture, the mouse is cutting the rope. And in this picture, the lion is stuck in the net. And here, the mouse helped the lion by cutting the rope and let him go away. So there are 6 pictures. What you have to do, you know the lion and the mouse story, right? Also, I will give a link of a YouTube video of the lion and the mouse story. First you see the video and then you cut these pictures and then you sequence it, right? Which one is number 1, which one is number 2, which one is number 3, like that you sequence it. কোনটার আগে কোনটা হবে, প্রথমে কি হয়েছিল, যেমন এখানে সবার প্রথমে কি হয়েছিল, নাম্বার 1 হবে এটা, যেখানে লায়ন মাউসটাকে ক্যাচ করেছিল. The first picture is the mouse, the lion caught the mouse, right? Then what happened next? So you have to choose from the picture and give it number 2. Then number 3, that you have to give the correct sequencing. Okay, and also if you get time, please color the pictures. Okay, and then what is the exercise 2? Exercise 2 is there is a word puzzle and these are the words which are hidden here. You have to find these words from the puzzle and mark like this. See, there's crab. So crab I can find this way and I circle it. So same way you have to do it for these words. Okay, so this is your week 3 homework. Then what is week 4 homework? Week 4 homework is a very interesting homework. That is, you select any of your friends. It might be your cousin, it might be your school friend, it might be your neighbor friend, anybody. Okay, and then see, I gave you here 10 questions. Okay, you have to ask your friend these questions and write it down. This is interviewing your friend. You have to ask your friend this question, he will tell you the answer and then you have to write the answer here. Suppose I am your friend, then you have to ask me, you have to call me, you have to you can video chat with me or anything. So then you have to ask me, what is your friend name, how old is he or she? So you ask his age, you ask where he lives, then whatever answer he will give, you have to put it here. Okay, you have to write it here. Week 5, this is activity. Make a poster of Bangladesh. The poster must include 5 things about Bangladesh and which thing you love most about your country. So you will take a big art paper and there you will you will give 5 things, at least 5 things about Bangladesh. You can give more, no problem. Suppose you can give the national animal, national bird, national fruit of Bangladesh. You can take a picture, cut the picture and stick that with glue on the poster. You can give nice border to the poster. You can see nice things about, you can write nice things about Bangladesh in that poster. You can search in YouTube how to make a nice poster, and then accordingly you can make that. Okay, you can have so many ideas. You search in internet, you will find so many ideas about making a poster. Okay, make it simple, nothing to be very, just write things about Bangladesh, one line, and 5 things, cut the picture and paste, that's enough. Number week 6, exercise 1, read the sentence. Number week 6, the last week of our homework, what we will do 2 activity, and these are about statement and question. You already learned about statement and question. I will link my lecture here. If you want, you can see the video first and then you can start your activity. So first activity is, here are 5 sentences. Okay, you have to read, your parents have to make a video. In that video you will read the sentence first and then you will tell whether it's a statement or it's a question. Okay, so first one is, honey is made by bees. Here I have told something about honey, right? So this is, I told something, I stated something, so it, and also it ends with full stop, so it is a statement. Number 2, can you pass me the bottle please? So here I am asking something. I am asking someone to pass me the bottle, and it finishes with a question mark. So it will be a question. So same this way, you have to read this 5 sentence and tell me whether the sentence is a statement or it's a question mark. Activity 2 is, write a statement about. So you will write something, one statement about your toy, your home and yourself, and write a question about. So you will write a question about country, name and class. What is your name? Is your name Kakon? So like this kind of things. Okay. So these are your homeworks. You will upload all your homeworks under, you will upload all your homework under this assignment. Okay, English summer vacation homework week 3 to week 6. Here you will upload, I have uploaded, so all English homework from week 3 to week 6 you will upload it under here or under here. See, the summer vacation homework, English homework, all. Summer vacation homework, English homework, all. Here also you can upload, no problem. Okay. Anyways, just it needs to come to me. Okay. Thank you students. Bye-bye.